Hello everyone, welcome to the third section of the course, Tableau built-in tools to accomplish user interaction. In this section, we will explore the main functionality that allows you to make your first worksheet in Tableau more interactive using specific Tableau built-in tools and techniques. In this video, we will explain how to create a calculated field and what are the best ways to use calculated fields. When you create a calculated field, you are essentially creating a new field or column in your data source. Calculated fields allow you to manipulate your data and create new fields from data that already exists in your data source. The new calculated field is saved to your data source in Tableau. It can be used to create more robust visualizations and perform new complex analysis. The first hurdle to learning calculations in Tableau is to recognize when you actually need to use one. You can use them for many different reasons: to segment data, to aggregate data, to filter results, to calculate ratios, and to create what-if scenarios. Once you know the type of data you need and the purpose you have, you will be able to choose the correct function and the correct formula. Once you are familiar with the different types of Tableau functions and their purposes, make sure to learn how to format calculated fields using the proper syntax. Types of calculations. There are two main types of calculations you can use to create a calculated field in Tableau. Basic calculations. Basic calculations allow you to transform values or members at the data source level of detail, a row level calculation, or at the visualization level of detail, an aggregate calculation. Level of detail, LOD expressions. Just like basic calculations, LOD calculations allow you to compute values at the visualization level. However, LOD calculations give you even more control on the level of granularity you want to compute. But we will see them in details in the next section. Now let's see an example of calculated fields using Tableau. Create a new sheet. Name calculated fields. Drag region into the column. Drag sales and profit into row. Select analysis. Create calculated field. Or right click a measure or a dimension and do the same. In the calculation editor that opens, do the following. Call it profit ratio calculated field. Still in the same calculation editor, under the name, enter a formula. Write down the following formula. Sum profit divided by sum of sales. Notice how you can write down formula, or you can use the formula assistance on the right. In the same way, you can write down dimensions and measures, or you can drag it from the pane. Now click OK. The new calculated field is added to the data pane. If the new field computes quantitative data, it is added to the measures. If it computes qualitative data, it is added to dimensions. Finally, add the new pills to the view, entering it to columns or rows if you are creating a new visualization, or to the marks card if you want to insert as text, color, size, or detail. When you drag in, the visualization becomes clear how the calculated field is the result of the operation between the other two fields. Let's do a further example. You might want to quickly color the data in the visualization as profitable or non-profitable. Create a calculated field and name it color. If the sum of profit is more than 100,000, then profitable, else non-profitable. End. Drag the new calculated field into color and you will see the regions having profit of more than 100,000, colored differently by the other. In conclusion today, we learned how to create a calculated field and what are the best ways to use calculated fields